Today we're going to learn about fraction word problem. Let's say we have a problem like Doreen and Grace spent a total of $4,800 in shopping. 1/3 of what Doreen spent was equal to 7/9 of what Grace spent. Doreen had spent $975 using cash and charged the rest of her expenses to her credit card. How much of Doreen's expenses were charged to the credit card? Now, the problem states that Doreen and Grace spent a total of $4,800. So total spent, T for total, S for spent, is equal to $4,800. $4,800. The problem also states that 1/3 of what Doreen spent was equal to 7/9 of what Grace spent. We can see a fraction here, 1/3. We know that in a fraction, the denominator, which in our case is 3, is the whole. So this means that Doreen spent a total of 3 units of money. So Doreen spent, D for Doreen, S for spent, is equal to 3 units. Let's draw them up. 1, 2, 3. So Doreen spent 3 units of money. We can also see another fraction here, 7/9. So we can see that 9 is the denominator. So this means that Grace spent 9 blocks of money. We can also see that it has a numerator of 7. And the problem states that 1/3 of what Doreen spent was equal to 7/9 of what Grace spent. So that means that for 1 unit that Doreen spent, Grace spent 7 blocks. Let's draw this. So she spent, for every 1 unit that Doreen spent, she spent 7 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 3 draw this properly. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. But we also know that she spent 9 units of money. So she spent 2 more blocks than 1 unit that Doreen spent. So Grace spent, G for Grace, S for spent, is equal to 9 units. And we know that in the 9 units, 7 of the units is equal to 7 of these blocks is equal to 1 of Doreen's units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now we know that the total spent is equal to 4,800. But to find out how much each person spent, we have to first find a common variable, either units or blocks. Let's go with blocks. We know that each unit contains 7 blocks. So let's draw that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So we can see that we just drew 21 blocks. So this means that Doreen spent 21 blocks. Now we know that the total spent, T for total, S for spent, is equal to $4,800. it is also equal to Doreen spent plus Grace spent, which is equal to 21 blocks, let's use this as blocks, plus 9 blocks, which is equal to 30 blocks. So this means that 30 blocks is equal to 4,800. Let's rewrite this here. 30 blocks is equal to 4,800. So this means that block is equal to 4,800 divided by 30. Let's actually write this all up here. $30 is equal to $4,800. Block is equal to $160 because $4,800 divided by 30 is equal to $160. Now we need to find out how much of Doreen's expenses were charged to her credit card. To find out how much of Doreen's expenses were charged to her credit card, we have to first find out how much did Doreen spend. So Doreen spent, D for Doreen, S for spend, is equal to 21 blocks, which is equal to 21 times each block costs $160. So times 160, which is equal to $3,360. So Doreen spent $3,360. Now, we know that she spent $975 using cash. So, let's subtract. So Doreen charged on her credit card, D for Doreen, C for charge, C for credit card, is equal to 3,360 minus 975 minus 975, which is equal to $2,385. $2,385. So this means that Doreen charged $2,385 to her credit card. So the answer to this problem, which is how much of Doreen's expenses were charged to her credit card, is, let's write it right here, $2,385. Today we learned about fraction word problem. Thank you for watching this video.